Hey guys. So I'm having a sleepover with my friend Regan. You can come in. And
how are you?
I was just asking her if she was allowed to be on here because I don't know if she is.
Yeah.
But
it's
yeah,
though.
I'm on my phone, you know.
And I have my tablet here.
I have
no
a
internet.
phone, an old phone, my pop's phone. We're just in our fort
that we made.
We feel
something tragic happened. We'll tell you later. We'll tell them in a second. But we did have a blanket here, but we didn't do it anymore.
But it fell off.
Yeah.
Well, now the iPad fell off.
Yeah. Now I want to tell them the story. Can I?
Can I also tell her quickly?
We can do.
So we
just hold it. Just hold it.
So we
we were in the fort and we were eating lollies and that.
We had a whole container of Maltesers.
And we had some trolley lollies, ice cream, chips,
Coke.
Coke.
We had a lot of little snacks.
Yeah. And we went outside to film some TikToks on Lacey's TikTok. Go follow her.
And also, we didn't leave the Maltesers lid on, and we didn't close the door.
And so Luna, Lacey's dog, got in and ate all the chocolates.
Like, there was not even one left. She ate all of it, and we feel so bad for it because you were the one in charge to close the lid, and she was the one in charge of closing the door. Yes, but I didn't even think of that. You smarty.
Because I was the first one out of the room, so I was expecting her to close the door, and that's why I didn't close the lid.
And you're the first one to get out of the bed, so I thought you closed the lid.
No! If somebody's the first one out, the last one has to do the things.
I thought you would do it.
Well, I didn't, okay? And they can hold up here. Wait, hello. But we wanted to show you what we were doing right now. Because we felt terrible, so we're just going to sit in the room.
I was texting my mom. I was texting my mom because I was too scared to go.
Yeah, we're too scared to go up to her.
I'm too scared to go up to her.
Can I read it?
I'll read one message and you read the other. So I wrote, I'm so sorry. And I did 3 sad faces. Me and my friend Regan are so sorry. I love you. Mummy. XOXO, Mummy. XOXO. And you can read the one that my mum did.
It's okay.
Oh, I thought that was on behind, but it's your hand.
It's okay, don't worry about it. You know how much Luna, her dog, likes chocolate. Don't worry, she'll be fine. XOXOX.
Ma, I love you so. I love
you so much.
You so much. We felt so bad.
So bad.
So bad.
She's fine. Don't worry about it. It's not the first time she got into chocolate. XOX. We dropped it.
And that's true. That's not the first time she got into chocolate.
No. We were up to that big.
It's not the first time she got into chocolate. She got into it
a lot of times.
A lot of times, but I don't want to tell you because my mom will be embarrassed if she watches this. Yeah.
Do you want to go outside and film later in a little while? Like after we thing? And so Lacey texted her back saying, can you read what she said after that?
So the whole thing was, I'm so sorry.
We've already read that.
Me and Regan are so sorry. I love you, Mummy. XOXO. It's okay. Don't worry about about it. You know how much Luna likes chocolate. Don't worry. She'll be fine. XOXOXO. I love you so much. We felt so bad.
So bad.
So
she
bad.
She's fine. Don't worry about it. It's not the first time she got into chocolate. XOX.
XOXO. Thank you, and love you so much. XOXOXOXO.
So yeah.
So yeah.
So should we go outside?
I don't want to go outside.
Why?
We've been outside 3 times today.
No, but we've been on the technology 24/7, even when we were outside. So should we go outside and only be filming?
Let's let the judges decide. Thumbs down this video if we go outside, or thumbs up this video if we should go outside.
And film.
But if we shouldn't, follow. You subscribe. Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Out.
Bye.